V directly proportional to 1 upon R. These are the two ways of reading any graph. V inversely proportional to R or V directly proportional to 1 upon R. So those graphs we are going to do. So let us first do V inversely proportional to R. If V is inversely proportional to R, it is according to the formula a negative curve. Fine. Now, if at all Q greater than 0, we get this type of graph. Now, if Q is less than 0, for V inversely proportional to R, as read here, we have to draw the same kind of graph, but in the fourth quadrant. So, remember, what are they asking? Q greater than 0 or Q less than 0? Q is positive or Q is negative? Fine. Okay, remember that. I can write this as capital Q if there is some confusion for you to remember or understand. Okay, Q is a capital Q. Fine. So if Q greater than 0 and I read it as V inversely proportional to R, you have to very much be careful according to what is given in the y-axis and x-axis, and accordingly you have to draw the graph. Okay, now for Q less than 0, that is the charge is negative, same axis, x-axis is R, y-axis is V, draw this kind of a graph. Now, for Q greater than 0, what is there on the x-axis? 1 upon R. And how can I read 1 upon R? V directly proportional. So how should I write? V directly proportional, draw this way. Fine. Provided Q greater than 0. Now for Q less than 0, Q is positive, here Q is negative. How should I draw a graph? I should draw the same graph, a straight line graph from the center, but in the fourth quadrant, provided Q is less than 0. So be very careful of what is asked. Q greater than 0, x-axis is 1 upon R. Q less than 0, x-axis is 1 upon R. Here Q greater than 0, x-axis is R. Q less than 0, x-axis is R. Read it. Inversely proportional, directly proportional. If inversely proportional, negative graph, but change the quadrant according to the polarity of Q. Similarly, change the quadrant according to the polarity of Q, provided V versus 1 upon R is asked. Very tricky questions can be asked, but your eye should go on the x-axis and go to the formula. Then you will be clear and you will do the correct marking of the graph. Every year in entrances, this kind of graphs are asked. Don't get confused.